Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view in raw mode in GitHub. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically now all you will be needing to do is just to go to any repository that you have and access to the file that you want to see. So for example, I have this readme file. As you can see, now it is being seen as formatted uh, file or formatted uh, markdown, and basically there will be many type of formatting for this for our uh, readme, etc. And basically I'm just going to use many of them, and basically I'm just going to choose for example like that, and add this one, hello, which is a header. And basically I'm just going to commit the changes, and basically as you can see now you can see how my code is formatted. And basically if you want to see it as a raw or view as a raw, you can click on raw, and as you can see now it will show you the real text or the real raw format of our gets or for our file. And you can also find here the blame, and those are just seeing who contributed the most onto your code, etc. And whenever you are using anything like in the file, and uh, you can do hello like this, and basically whatever was the formatting that you are using for your file, you will see that you will be able to see the raw material by just committing your changes. And basically even if it won't show it here in the preview, you will be able to click on the raw and find it. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.